Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with my girls today.
Hi.
So we're here at
Goodwill.
So here in my town, they do the 50% off every other week. So today they have the 50% off, and I like thrift shopping. I mean, like, who doesn't like thrift shopping nowadays, right? To see what you can find, what goodies are stored in there. So I'm so ready because I haven't been here for a while, and I told my girls, let's go, let's see what we can find. And they like coming with me too because they always find something. So yes, I'm not a picky person about clothes and stuff like that. If I like it, I will wear it, used, new, whatever. I don't spend like a lot of money on clothes either, so I'm not a crazy. I will spend money on shoes. I'm a shoe girl. I'm not a handbag girl either, or a makeup girl, as you can see. Like, I'm not. No, I love shoes. Huh, girls?
Yeah.
I love shoes. I love
shoes.
I'm a shoe person. Shoes I will spend on. Clothes, I don't really mind. As long as I like it, I will wear it, and I'm good to go. So let's go inside and see what we can find.
I'm gonna call 911 and then you're 911, okay? I'm driving. 911.
This is your favorite area, huh, Lisa?
Yep. Hello? Hello? What's your
With all the phones.
House is on fire. A fire? Okay, I will call the fire department immediately.
I found something. Looks like a light. Viviana, look at this.
Yeah? Oh, that's cool.
What is this? I think it looks like a light. That's a weird outlet. She's on my stuff. So many people. So here's one. A little too short. I have this one, but I feel like it makes me look a little too boxy. Doesn't do anything for me. So, Hey everybody, welcome back. So we are back home and I want to show you really quickly what we got. My younger daughter didn't really get clothes. She got a toy horse, Spirit, if you guys know who he is, and a big Spirit horse for $2, and he works perfectly. A horse that usually costs like $30–40 for $2. I mean, wow. And she got a Paw Patrol booklet that she likes for $1, which is not bad. She's still, you know, a little girl, so she's not like clothes person. Oh, I'm gonna go buy clothes, you know. But my 9-year-old, who's starting to get, you know, more in the fashion stuff, wanting to look a little bit more, you know, presentable and stuff, she of course got clothes. But she got this cute little crop top for $2 with a little pineapple print on it, which I thought was so adorable for $2. I mean, everything was half off today, so good prices. And one of my favorite finds that she found for herself was this really cute crop top style camo jacket, extra small, for only $3, which I thought was so adorable. It has this cute little zipper that goes down the sleeve, also right here to the side, and it fit her perfectly. I thought it was so cute. She could fit this with so many different shirts underneath and she would look so cute. For myself now, oh, I'm gonna try to insert clips of me trying the clothes on or pictures of me somewhere before or during while I'm talking. I don't know, depends on how I can edit it in here. I'm still learning, trying to edit new tricks and ways to do stuff. So, you know, sorry if it's not perfect, but I'm trying, but I hope you guys enjoy it. But yeah, I got 3 shirts for working out. I got this purple one right here, this light baby blue one that says this on there. That was too funny. And my favorite one is this light gray one that says, "Dear Saturday, you are my favorite." I thought that was so cute, and each of these shirts were only $2, which were so adorable. And here where I live, it's kind of hot, so I don't need like very like long sleeve shirts and stuff like that, because it's gonna get hot right away. Let's see what else. Oh, I got this long pencil skirt style dress that comes all the way underneath my knees, and I like the little detail of the buttons right here. It's a little fitted and has the blue and white stripes. Really cute. I got that for $5. I got this more formal, like business type dress right here with the white detail, white piece on top, and then the skirt on the bottom. It has the buttons right here that turns into later a zipper halfway, and the belt to cinch you in. The only detail with this is that it fit perfectly on the top, but on the bottom it is a little loose, and we're gonna try to get that fixed. My sister was saying that maybe I could, you know, cinch it in here so it gets a little bit more of the pencil skirt look that I'm going for. But this one I got for $7, and it's from the brand Lauren Ralph, which I thought, I might need this. You never know, a meeting or something that you need to go to and you have a nice cute little dress. But yeah, and for my last piece, my favorite piece that I found was this romper right here. It has the little ruffles on the front part right here coming into a V with the button detail, and the material is this nice little turquoise color with the flower print that then turns into the short part, the romper part, with this nice little detail right here at the waist and your pockets. And on the back, you have the same button details as the front right here, and it has these 2 lines that come down your back. It was a little big on right here where it's supposed to meet my back, but I'm just gonna bring that in so it gets a little tighter. It also has this little bow, or this, so you can make a bow on the back so it cinches in your waist, which is really cute, and I really like the way that one looked on me. It was super cute. I loved it. That was my favorite piece, and I got this one for $5. I mean, a steal. I like it. I love it. And I'm gonna go visit family hopefully soon in Florida, and I thought that would be so cute to wear on a day out with them over there. But yeah, that is everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know down below if you would like to see more Goodwill hauls. I do try to go every 2 weeks when they have the 50% off sale, like I said they do. And you find some good stuff. You never know what you're gonna find. I'm not picky on my clothes. I don't care if it's used or new or whatever, and I don't spend a lot on it. I mean, clothes is clothes. It's gonna get dirty, it's gonna get ripped at the end, you know. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this, I will try to post more Goodwill hauls with me. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. See you guys next time. Give it a like if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and don't forget to hit that bell so you can get my notifications and you won't miss any of my videos. And I will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.